Hey everyone, welcome back. Canvas is the part of ChatGPT most people never find on their phone. Instead of an answer buried in a chat, you get a proper document you can edit, rewrite, and tweak line by line, like a little word processor built into the app. There's no button called Canvas though, so let me show you where it actually hides. Swipe up from the bottom to open your apps, type in ChatGPT, and open it. Now look just above the message box, and tap Write or Edit. Notice what changed. The message box now says Write Anything instead of Ask ChatGPT, and that's how you know you're in writing mode. So tap the box and tell it what you need. I'm typing. Write a short cover letter for a barista job. Then tap Send, and give it a good few seconds, because it's not just replying, it's building you a document. Give it a few seconds, and watch what comes back. It isn't normal chat text. It's come back in a card with the word Writing at the top, and a copy icon and a share icon in the corner. That card is your canvas. Tap anywhere on it, and it opens up full screen as an actual document. And here's the editor. Along the top, you've got Undo, Redo, Copy, and Share. The text itself is live, so you can tap straight into it and fix a word, change a name, or delete a whole paragraph, exactly like a Notes app. And at the bottom, there's an Ask for Changes box if you want to describe an edit in your own words. But the quick way is the row of buttons just above it. Make it shorter, more professional, and more casual. I'll tap Make it shorter. ChatGPT rewrites the whole thing and shows you the new version in blue, so you can see exactly what changed before you commit to it. If you don't like it, tap Reject. I do like it, so I'll tap Accept, and that's now the document. So let's recap. Open ChatGPT on a new chat and tap Write or Edit above the message box. Type what you want written and send it. Your answer comes back as a writing card, and tapping that card opens the full Canvas editor. From there, you can type into the document yourself, use Undo and Redo, or use the buttons at the bottom to make it shorter, more professional, or more casual, and accept or reject every rewrite. When you're done, hit Copy or Share to get it out of the app. If this helped you out, give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.